Sat Shri Akal Saranu, this is Green Kaur and welcome back you all to my channel. This video will be all about simple and easy makeup look using drugstore affordable products, and also for the ones who don't want to apply so much makeup on their skin on a daily basis. I mean, they don't want an extra glam, but yet they want a presentable look. I hope you understand what I want to say. This makeup routine will not include any sort of doing bhari bharkam eyeshadows, dramatic eyeshadows, or contouring your face or filling your brows, bronzer वगैरह ये सब कुछ भी नहीं, because this video is all about simple and easy makeup look, and I don't think that simple or easy makeup look में ये सब चीज़ भी आना चाहिए, because you know this is something we want to do very fast और जल्दी हो जाए so that we can do it on a regular basis. और अगर आप ये सब steps include करते हो like contouring your face, eyeshadows करना, filling your brows, this will be too much. This will take too much of time, and I think for doing a makeup look, simple makeup look, I feel that these steps are unnecessary, and honestly speaking it just takes me 20 minutes to complete this makeup look. So अपने चपर चपर को बंद करते हुए और आपका वक्त और ना बर्बाद करते हुए, let's get into the video. Start doing my makeup, I just want to say that मैंने अपना already morning skincare routine कर लिया है. It's very important to do your morning skincare routine before you do your makeup, so that आपके skin को further harm ना हो. And I have already made a video on this morning skincare routine. So अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, so उस video का link मेरे description box में मिल जाएगा, and शायद video के कहीं ऊपर भी होगा a link, so you can watch it out. Now coming back to my makeup, for the first step I'll be using a primer, and this primer is from Maybelline Master Prime Anti Redness Primer for reddish skin. There are so many different types of primers out there in the market, like hydrating, bow filling, mattifying, shine control, redness control, and many more. You can go for any primer according to your skin concern, and I like to use a primer which helps me to control my redness because I have a lot of redness on my skin. Basically a primer helps you to blur out everything you have on your skin. It just smoothens out your face, so that you know makeup और ज़्यादा polished लगे. So just I'll be applying it all over. And talking about this primer, this really helps me to combat my redness that I've on my skin, and this is super lightweight, and also it is sort of hydrating. So yeah, it helps me with everything I want. And a primer should generally be used after your skincare routine and before you start doing your makeup, because primer creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup. Moving to the next step, this step is really very optional, but for the ones who like to cover acne or redness on their skin, you can go for this step. Like I have a lot of acne and pimples on my skin, so I like to cover those redness on my skin. I like to use the green color corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is an awesome concealer and I just love to use this one. Simply you have to apply the green color corrector on only the spots where you are having redness, just on the redness wala spot, not all over your face. I'll be using a blender and just dab on that spot only and not drag all over my face. Don't do that, nahi to pura face green ho jayega. Just dab on that place. I will be also applying this around my nose because I have redness around my nose also, and just dab with your blender and don't drag all over your face. याद रखना, नहीं तो पूरा स्किन ग्रीन हो जाएगा and then it will be very difficult to ठीक करने में. So please don't drag all over your face, just dab on your skin so that वो green आपके वो red spot पे ही रहे और ना कि पूरे skin में, पूरे face पे आपके फैल जाए and you look like a ghost. And also there are a lot of correctors out there in the market like peach, purple, yellow, red, सब अलग अलग चीज़ों के लिए. So go for the correctors you think you need for your skin. I only need a green color corrector for now, and for this concealer I will only say one thing, that I love this product so much. Now to cover the green on my skin, I'll use a concealer, and I like to use the concealer again from LA Girl. Actually I love the concealers from LA Girl brand especially. So I'll be applying the concealer first on the green wala spot and around my nose also, because I have applied my green concealer over here also. I'll be also applying this concealer under my eyes to cancel out the darkness under my eyes, and you can apply anywhere, I mean on your eyelids or any place where you have darkness, and it helps to even out your skin tone. This concealer has a light to medium coverage, and also I forgot to say that I'm using this concealer in the shade Creamy Beach. Always use a concealer according to your shade. It is very important to set your makeup with a powder once you are done with the concealer to prevent creasing and not making your makeup look cakey. And for the powder, I use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm in the shade Light Medium 20. For this step, you just need to hold your beauty blender like this, and I'll be first setting my under eyes. You have to apply this powder everywhere जहाँ भी आपने concealer use किया है. Setting your makeup with powder after you have applied concealer is very important. Okay, so now I'm done with my concealer, and also I have set my concealer using a loose powder. I'll be moving to the next step, and for my next step I'll be using a foundation which is from Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation. Honestly speaking, you can stop once you are done with your concealer because I don't think that you need a foundation on a daily basis. Such बताऊँ तो on daily basis I don't use a foundation, and since I'm a acne prone sensitive skin type, rose foundation लगाना will be too much heavy on my face, so इसीलिए I avoid foundation on most of the days. Generally a foundation is used to even out your skin or base or whatever you have applied on your skin till now. It helps to just even out your skin, giving you a more polished look. But for today's video, I'll be applying foundation on my skin. Again, using a blender. I like to do my makeup using a beauty blender. I don't like to use a brush when I do my makeup because you know a beauty blender helps you to get light to medium coverage, whereas brush gives you medium to full coverage, and I want my makeup to be light and medium, not heavy. So easily I use a beauty blender or a sponge. Once again, I forgot to tell the shade of my foundation. I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And talking about this foundation is a matte foundation and it gives you light to medium coverage. और जिन्हें foundation daily basis पे चाहिए, this is lightweight and you can apply on daily basis also. And one thing I want to say that I'm using this brand's foundation from the past 1 year, and this is an awesome foundation. I just love this foundation so much. Before I apply anything more on my skin, I'll be doing my eyes now. So first I'll be applying eyeliner. As I said earlier that I won't be doing any eyeshadows in this video because this is a simple makeup routine or makeup look. So for my eyes right now, I'll be using a Maybelline The Colossal Liner. This is a perfect eyeliner and it is somewhat like this. I just love this eyeliner. It is so easy to apply. Not a pro in applying eyeliner, but I don't know. I'm applying this eyeliner for the first time. मतलब ऐसे इस तरीके से eyeliner मैं पहली बार लगा रही हूँ. I have applied my eyeliner and now I'm coming back doing eyeliner on my this eye too. So I'm done applying eyeliner on both my eyes. I'm still not done with my eyes. The next product that I'll be applying on my eyes is a mascara, but before that it is very important to curl your lashes. So for that I'll be using a curler right now, and it's very oh मैंने उल्टा पकड़ा. It's very difficult and risky to look in camera and do this, so I'll be seeing on the mirror and doing this. Hold it for like 1 minute. It will uplift your lashes. Now I'll be using a mascara, and I use mascara from Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. ठीक है, सिंपल मेकअप के लिए ये मस्कारा परफेक्ट लगता है मुझे. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पे एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग मस्कारा, क्योंकि अगर थोड़ा सा भी मस्कारा का ब्रश इधर उधर हो गया ना, यू विल स्पॉइल ऑल योर मेकअप. एंड अगेन आई विल बी यूजिंग अ कर्लर टू कर्ल माई लैशेस वंस अगेन. So you can use this before applying mascara and after applying mascara also. Now coming back to my face, the next product that I'll be using is a blush, and I like to use blush from Maybelline Fit Me again, and this is in the shade Nude Peach. I love peach blushes more than pink blushes. As I said that I like peach blushes more than pink blushes, so most of the looks के साथ मैं यही blush use करती हूँ. I don't know how much it is visible on the camera, but in person this blush looks so beautiful. Moving to the next and also one of my favorite steps in the makeup routine is that applying a highlighter, and I use a highlighter from Wet n Wild. This highlighter is in the shade Precious Petals. You can apply highlighter using your fingertips or brush, but personally I like to use brush. You have to simply just sweep this product onto your targeted areas such as cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of your nose, inner corner of your eyes. One thing that I would love to say about this product is just the that I love this one, and this is a perfect highlighter, affordable perfect highlighter, and I can't do without this product. So I just absolutely love this highlighter so much. Moving to the last step of the makeup routine, and also one of the favorite step of every girl, is applying a lipstick. And for today's video I'll be using two lipsticks, two red lipstick. One is from My Glam, and the second one is Maybelline. I'll be mixing both the lipsticks. Okay, so what I felt that this lipstick was enough, तो मैं इस lipstick को इस video में अब नहीं लगाऊंगी. I'm just loving the shade and loving how this lipstick turned out with this look, and also I am loving how my makeup turned out. Said in one of my previous videos that skincare is a choice, वैसे ही makeup is a choice. Don't even think that you cannot do without makeup, you cannot step out from your house without applying makeup. No, be confident in your skin, use whatever makeup products you want to use on your skin. But if you don't know which makeup products to use when, you can definitely take some help from this video. While doing makeup, you have to just keep in mind that you have to use the makeup products in the correct order, using the correct techniques, and also the makeup products should be of your shade. And also जितने भी मैंने products इस video में दिखाए हैं उन सब के link आपको मेरे description box में मिल जाएंगे, so you can check them out. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, ta-da!